Hey YouTube. In the garage right now. I just got the garbage out. Yeah. Here's my introduction to my fabrication shop, as you may call it, or garage, whatever. Freaking sweatshirt's all screwed up here. So yeah. Here's what I've got. Alright. I've got my vise right here. 440 block. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I've got a Weld Pack 100 for welding. It's a MIG. Alright, it's like that. Can you see that? I hope so. Helmet, of course. Clamp. It's 120 volt MIG powered, or 110 volt powered MIG, and it's gasless. But other than that, yeah, for as far as welding and whatnot, you might have to buy, to your affordability, you might have to buy some drills. Alright, and with that recommendation, not recommendation, but what I would do if I were you guys is go to your local hardware store or whatever it may be and pick up, these are Yukon tool drills, but they're already categorized 3/64, 5/64, so on and so forth, all the way up to 1/2 inch, and then 3/8, all the way up to 1/16. And that's basically my drill index for drilling holes, for whatever it may be. Got a bunch of scrap metal here that I plan on using here in the next, come spring. Alright. Other than that, I've got this lovely coat and hat rack that I somewhat tried building quite a few years ago, I think. And that's another thing with the equipment with welding, guys, is make sure you get yourselves a bench grinder, because if you're going to be doing a lot of fabricating, hopefully I can get my camera here set up to where you can see what the hell I'm doing. But yeah, this is a good old Craftsman roll around cabinet. I've got my basic essentials: flat disc, grinding discs, wire wheels, stuff of that nature. Got a folding tool for doing ventilation, sheet metal work. I got my gloves, my stick welding gloves, my MIG gloves, and this is basically just miscellaneous gloves. And yeah, I got a cutting torch handle in there, just for the hell of it. Everything down here, we got welding shield, base shield. This is a propane powered torch, and all the essentials for stick welding or MIG welding. You've got your, let me see here. You've got your, this is from Chicago Electric, not local, but it's a little bit of a drive. Chicago Welding 20-piece MIG wire contact tips. Now, contact tips, you have got to make sure, for anybody that's interested or beyond interested or already in the trade, you guys probably know, you've got the smallest tips are 0.023 inch. Now, being a machinist that I am, I'm not really a machinist, but I got the background of a machinist. It's 23 thousandths of an inch. So with that being said, the hole is very tiny. All right. Next step up is 30 thou right there. 35 thou, which I've already used up quite a bit, because that's what the thickness of the wire that I'm running in my MIG. And 45 thou, which I have not came across any sort of wire that big, but hopefully the new welder that I'll be looking into, hold on a second. The new welder I'll be looking into here shortly, within like half a month. Hopefully I'll be able to run 45 thou thickness wire, because if you're, just for instance, I want to make a dune buggy, which I do, and it's the main reason why I'm starting this channel up again, is I got this, what, 4-foot I-beam, like that. Got this whole thing, it's all rusty and stuff, but that's what good old wire wheeling and flap disking is for. Take all that rust and corrosion off, that way you can optimize the amount of arc that can be struck on the metal and make a pool to penetrate the metal and join metal together. That's basically all welding is, alright? There's no fancier way of explaining welding, really. But along with that, alright, you've got I've got this handy dandy little thing here. It's a cowhide welder's apron. It drapes over your head, covers from chest. For me, it's basically down to my knees, and I'm 5'5". So imagine that. Other than that, make sure when you're welding or you're doing any kind of fabricating process, always keep yourself covered. And I can't stress that enough for you guys, alright? I've seen a lot of know-it-alls, alright? Again, discretion here. Don't try and claim yourself an expert when you're not, because people such as me, I've done a lot of YouTube searching for welding and stuff like that, knowing how to weld aluminum, galvanized steel, sheet metal, whatever it may be. And the problem is that unless you're a professional, hopefully one day such as me, that's why I put in the introduction, my first video, of discretionary being, I am not an expert, I'm not professional, I don't plan on to be unless I get certified, then it's copyrighted and all the other happy horse crap, alright? So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not going to be doing much in the way of welding tonight for you guys, because I just started this up again, and I got to get stuff set up for camera usage, and usually when I do weld, I bought this handy dandy little Altec Lansing Bluetooth speaker, and it works really well. I got it pumping out. You guys might think this is kind of like outdated, or, you know, not of the trend, but I do listen to country music. Alright, don't get me wrong, I love my country, but I don't mind alternate country, such as you guys might have heard, Upchurch to Redneck, Ryan Upchurch, Bubba Sparks, Cole Ford, so on and so forth. Those are all country rap artists, and that's who I listen to. So once you get to this point in the video, if you think, oh, well, this guy, you know, whatever it may be that you think of me, okay, keep, you know, continue on with your daily YouTube usage, alright? Like I said, I'm not here to impress anybody, and yeah, I am wearing Carhartt and old Faded Glory sweatshirt and my Carhartt hat. This is my normal street clothes, alright? I am wearing Wranglers and good old Red Wing boots. I've just bought a new pair. Yeah, they're work boots. So when I'm at work or on the farm, I wear either my work boots or the other pair of Red Wings, or these ones when I'm going out grocery shopping or whatever it may be. That's what I wear because they're very comfortable. So other than that, I'd like to disclose this video as far as hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I was hoping to play my music while I was talking to you guys, or, you know, whatever, however the hell I wanted to say that. Put you guys in the perspective that when I come into my garage, this is what I see. And you guys can do it too. Don't get discouraged. Don't let anybody tell you, you know, well, it's not a good trade or it's not a good skill to do, because I hate to say it, guys, but this kind of trade is definitely something, as long as you can put your mind to it, you can do anything, all right? And I've done some crazy stuff in my life, and yeah. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed it. Like the video if you want. If not, okay, so be it. But yeah. So have a good night, guys. I'm out.